ಮಾಹಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಹಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಿಲಾಪ್ನ ಆಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಟಿಎಂ ಪೈ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಾಹಿತಿ ರಂಗಕರ್ಮಿ ಅಮಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗ. ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಿಲಾಪ್ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನೇ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದೆ. ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲಕರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಡೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮೂಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂದು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲಾಪ್ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ.
Of such expression. But I feel that this is something, it's become something like the chaat masala. So adding different ingredients and each time it tastes a little different. Last year there was cinema, this time I was disturbed to see there's no cinema. So why don't we look at a year-long fest? You have lit meets, you have theatre workshops, you have photography workshops, you have performances, you have scholarships and readers happening all through the year, and one gala event. Previously, all these kinds of fine arts used to flourish when there was royal or governmental support. We don't need that kind of a benevolence for such expressions. All you need is a willing performer and a willing participant.
Not only because I have been given this great opportunity of inaugurating this kind of festival, which is very meaningful, as indicated by the Vice Chancellor, but also because I am standing in a university. Though I am here for the first time, I must say it's sort of a dream university. I visit Chicago very frequently, and I happen to live very close to one university called Loyola University. And whenever I visit that university, I go there, I feel like to be part of this university, that university Loyola, and sometimes I dream that next birth I should take there and I should be student of that university. But I'm happy now that now my dream university is a bit closer to me now. I need not go to US for that. This topic, a millennium revisited, tradition and transformation, is very important for me. Especially the word revisiting. In fact, arts and literature, as told by Dr. Bhatt, they depict life.